So you are a mother who works in a STEM industry or a corporation. You are on your maternity leave and you have to go back to work soon. But you have a lot of questions, right? You don't know when exactly to go, how exactly to go, what will be happening, what are the procedures, did you forget everything, will your colleagues still remember you? So your head is already stressing out and you are full of questions, what to do and how will it look like. So for all of us, I also went through that. So for all of us, I created the videos. I think this series will have about 15 videos, and we will address those questions and answer to them, so that by the end of the series you know exactly what to expect, how to prepare yourself, because a lot of things changed in your brain now, from the hormones, from your emotional state, from your priorities. Nothing is as it used to be, and you are starting to be aware of that, but you still don't know how to put yourself in this new situation now when you have to go back to work. And yes, no one is preparing you for that. I remember that for pregnancy, both on my pregnancy, I was very well prepared for the delivery, but no one was talking about burnout. Once when you go back to work, no one was talking about a brain fog, no one was talking about setting up the priorities. You didn't even know that you will have so many priorities now. So people are not really talking about what is happening once that when you have a baby and now you have to go back to work. I don't know why, but we are going to talk about it, and you will get ready in the way you have to be ready. We will see that as a project, the same projects as you are doing at your workplace. And let's mention here one more thing. Not all the corporate jobs are senior leadership. Not everyone is director. Yes, we have other roles here. Some moms work in a lab. Some moms usually work night shifts also. Some moms work in the manufacturing, in the logistics. So we have different roles. We will go through all of them, how to put yourself in your situation once when you have to go back to work. Yeah, and I'm sure that not just STEM and corporate mothers will find themselves in these videos. I think many other roles and many other job descriptions will find themselves here. So on the beginning we are going to be talking about when exactly do we go back to work and how do we go back. We will see that a little bit later. Once when you're back at work, you will see if you want to still be breastfeeding. You will have to consider a lactation room. Maybe your company doesn't even know what is lactation room, because our companies are traditionally male companies, so maybe you don't have so many mothers in your company, and we will have to see what to do about that. Also, what to do when a baby is sick in the morning, when the baby wakes up sick and you have just in a few hours a big meeting that you have to present to a senior leadership, for example. So what to do in this kind of stressful situation. We will also discuss what is going on in your brain now, because it is new identity, something changed there, and we will see what is that and how to continue living with new you. What about your career? Yes, you still want your career to grow, to continue growing, but maybe in a different way because of the new priorities. Yeah, now the full view at your life could be different than it was before you had a baby. What about the office politics? How much you have to share with your colleagues, and what it's better to keep for yourself. Also, what to do when your colleagues are a little bit jealous at you and you get the comments like it's so nice to go early home and finish at 3 p.m. or something like that. Those are like small pokes that could be considered as a innocent joke, but when you are so stressed, when you have so many things on your life, these small pokes, small jokes haunt you on the way home, and you sometimes cannot even sleep because someone told you something that hurt you so much. So we will see how to approach this kind of conversation, how to protect yourself, not just from your colleagues, but also from your superiors, from the director or whatever, whoever comes to your way. Also, in general, how to protect yourself, how to properly take your breaks, and also holidays, because very often we forget about those, and this could be nice healing times where you have a few minutes for yourself that usually in this kind of situation with the small babies you don't have. It's very easy to say take 1 hour for yourself during the week, but you don't have 1 hour, especially for the expat mothers like myself, when we don't have village support, when we don't have grandparents, grandmas and grandpas, where we don't have aunties that can take a baby just for half an hour. Sometimes half an hour is a lot for us, but we don't have it. So we will go to see what is happening now in our life and what will be happening once when you go back to work, how to set up your boundaries, what are actually your boundaries, and how to keep them, because you will notice that once you're back, everyone is attacking you, everyone, and you have to protect yourself. So by the end of the series, you will know what to do and how to do. Next video in this series, where we will talk about what is better, early return to work, or maybe 1 year or 1 year plus, when is better to go back. So we will go deeper in this question, and see you there.